and welcome to your English lesson to take away. I am teacher Sophie and I'll be your English teacher today. Maybe it's the first time we meet, maybe it's not, but in any case, I'm happy and it's really nice to meet you. Today's topic is, let me give you some hints. Listen to this. This is rain. Listen to that. This is thunder. Okay, one last time. Listen to this. This is wind. Today's topic is weather. Weather has an impact on emotions. Some people may feel sadder when the weather is bad. Some people can feel happier when the weather is nice. I like doing different things depending on the weather. For example, when it's sunny, I like reading a book in a park. When it's rainy, I like drinking a hot cup of tea, lying on my couch. And when it's snowy, for example, I like playing in the snow with my dog. I have an idea. Let's play a game about weather together. So come on and follow me. Let's look through the window and you have to tell me what the weather is like. Wow! So, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Or is it snowy? Yes, you got it. The sun is shining. It is sunny. So, what would you do with a weather like this? Would you swim in the sea? Would you build a sand castle? Or would you sleep on the beach? I would definitely swim in the sea. Let's have a look through the window and you have to tell me what the weather is like. Wow! So, is it snowy? Is it rainy? Or is it windy? Yes! Look at these snowflakes falling from the sky. It is snowy. What would you do with a weather like this? Would you build a snowman? Would you start a snow fight? Or would you make an angel in the snow? I would start a snow fight. I love playing with my friends. Let's have a last look through the window. And you have to tell me what the weather is like. Ooh, it looks like we shouldn't go outside. So, what the weather is like? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Or is it stormy? There's a lot of wind indeed. It's very, very windy. What would you do with a weather like this? Would you read a book? Would you watch a movie? Or would you play video games? I would watch a movie with a warm blanket on me, for sure. If you want to know more about the weather topic, then please click on the links below. You will find a movie suggestion, a book you can listen to, a song you can learn, and some activities you can do at home with your family or friends. I just have one last thing to tell you, and that's have a good one and see you soon!